Introducing HM Magnets 10 frame sets for elementary addition and subtraction facts. We have the standard set in the green package for addition and subtraction facts up to the number 10. And we have the extended set in the blue package for addition and subtraction facts up to the number 20. Each 10 frame has a strong yet flexible magnetic layer. This allows it to be easily attached to any magnetic surface. Our magnetic counters come in 5 different colors and are twice as thick, so both teachers and kids can easily take them on and off the board. All items are visible from a distance, whether it's on a small, medium, or large whiteboard. Each set also includes matching colored dice cubes, so just pick the color you want and start practicing. Parents can use it at home, and teachers can use it in the class for one-on-one practice. And to make things even more fun and simple, it comes with a unique set of flashcards designed by parents and teachers together, so you get a step-by-step learning kit. Each level has a unique color and tag, so just continue your practice from the last point you stopped. You will find unique illustrations and cool math games to make learning a fun experience for everyone. Use it on whiteboards and classrooms. Or use it in small study groups or study centers. All the flashcards are double-sided and dry erase, so just erase it when you're done for future use. Just start from level 1 to learn the numbers and work your way through the other levels. HM Magnets Magnetic 10 Frame Set, perfect for teachers in classrooms and for children at home.